Today I'm at Falling Creek Falls, Lake City, Florida. It's been raining here the last few days, and let's go see if there's a waterfall. Here's a little history of the Falling Creek Falls. You can pause it and read it. Get here early. Probably be the only ones here. It's 1:30 now. It's hot, it's humid, it's muggy, I'm sweating. Pretty quiet. It's calm. It's nice. I'm near the water. Seems like I have a waterfall. Let's see. So you'll come to this little split here, and on the floor has an arrow that says falls. So you'll just take a left. Not a big waterfall, but it's a waterfall in Florida. Say it's about 10-12 foot waterfall. Still pretty cool. Alright, that's the waterfall over here at Falling Creek Falls, Columbia County.